Hello, my name is Mitchell Lubinsky. I am the founder and president of Calsun Mortgage. I am a licensed real estate broker by the CA Department of Real Estate and mortgage loan originator by NMLS since 1986. I am an educator and mortgage expert and possess a great deal of knowledge in all aspects of real estate. We provide very low compatible interest rates with no any upfront fees and save your money with the no points, no closing costs option. Backed up by smooth, with no surprises and always on-time services. In this video, I will talk about closing costs, also known as settlement charges, which are paid by the borrower at closing on every mortgage transaction in addition to the down payment. I will cover specifics and details which were omitted or ignored by other mortgage companies and banks. The amount of closing costs varies and depends on the terms of the transaction, such as borrower credit and financial credentials, interest rate, loan amount, type of the loan, like conventional or government type, the value of the property, and some others. Either you are refinancing or buying your home, especially first-time home buyer, you have to be familiar with the charges you are paying for. The closing costs consist of a variety of different charges, including origination points, credit report and appraisal, processing fees, lender fees, escrow, title, and other minor charges. The good news is that residential home loans are heavily regulated by law, and your mortgage company has to provide you with the disclosure of estimated closing costs at the time of taking a loan application, at the beginning of the transaction, and the final closing statement, provided by escrow settlement agent at closing. The closing costs are charged by settlement agent, escrow services provider, and handled by independent escrow companies, mortgage lenders, or title companies. No closing costs option, 0 points is alternative to traditional closing costs, to save money at the closing of your loan. In this case, the closing costs usually are paid on behalf of the borrower by the lender or seller in whole or in part. No closing costs is very useful when you refinance or do jumbo loans. Depending on the loan amount, the same option may apply to the purchase transactions. No-cost mortgages don't eliminate closing costs to the borrower, they convert them from costs paid upfront at closing into costs paid over time at a slightly higher interest rate. No closing options are not offered by all mortgage lenders and the banks. At Calsun Mortgage, depending on the loan amount, we offer no closing costs, 0 points option for all our loans products, and to all types of borrowers like salaried employees, self-employed, business owners, first-time homebuyers, and foreign nationals. Please call us, we will be glad to help you to compare and choose the right option for you. If you like to learn more, in detail about closing costs, subscribe to our e-course Closing Costs or No Closing Costs.